Gentle monitoring has never been this smart and easy. The Microlife NC200 is a clinically tested non-contact thermometer with auto measurement and distance control technology. It's an ideal choice for multiple users or families. Remember to set the date and time on your first use. Press and hold the mode button for the date and time settings. Change the values by pressing the M button, and complete the settings by pressing the mode button. Finally, confirm your selection with the start button. Position the NC200 at the center of the forehead within 5 centimeters distance. The blue tracking light indicates the correct measurement area. A green light is shown on the underside of the device to indicate the correct measuring distance for self-measurement. The silent glow technology provides you with direct information about the measured result. 10 short beeps and a red LCD backlight will alert you when the measured temperature is equal to or higher than 37.5 degrees Celsius. Press the M button to enter the recall mode to track temperature changes when the power is off. You can turn the sound off while measuring. Press and hold the mode button for 3 seconds to set the beeper. Press the M button to turn the beeper off. Complete the setting with the start button. The NC200 is multifunctional and can be used to measure body, object, and ambient temperature. Press the mode button to change to object mode. Aim at the center of the object and press the start button until you hear a long beep. From now on, you can take care of yourself and the ones you love simultaneously. Discover the wide product world of Microlife, enabling you to keep full track of your health. Microlife, a partner for people, for life.